Ice Cube, you the early bird on this motherfucker. Run it.
Picture a nigga that's raw. Amplify his ass, and what you see is what's up. Motherfuckers I'll slaughter, blow him out the water. Word to me. Fuck the father, my melody is deadly as a pin in a hand grenade. 5 seconds before you get played, you can't throw me. I'll get you a blow up. Ever see a sucker scattered and make you throw up? Then I take advantage, you can't manage to get up. All you can do is sit up, I get lit up. Hit up Ice Cube, tear shit up like a dude you can bet on. Collide like a head-on collision. Stutter stepping is an incision of a nigga saying exactly what I vision. Because I'm gone, you think I left you all, but I stay in your ass like cholesterol. When I blast, I'm solid as Alcatraz. And if you escape, you better swim fast, cause I'll catch up physically and mentally. And the capital punishment's the penalty. Sit in your electric chair, grab a hold, pull the switch, your body twitch, your eyes explode out your skull. Cause being dope on the flow is an NO. Niggas didn't know that I can go off and show off to throw off the...
Alright. So, this is totally a Cerwin Vega prototype. I thought it actually looks more Cerwin Vega than... this is definitely not the Scar D412 EVL that I made for Byron, and then he became a douchebag, and I had to fuck up his shit, make the cops come over and get his stuff. No, I didn't, not at all. So, my name's not Byron, it's Brian. Yeah, but you spell it with a Y, dipshit, so I'm calling you Byron. Okay, that's how it fucking goes. My butthole is French. Bring your tongue. FS is 33, 32.97. QTS is 0.8589, so we'll say 0.86. Let's put some mass on here. There we go. And then VAS is 1.58, so we'll say 1.6. Because after it breaks in, it'll get a little stretchy. I'm gonna go ahead and team this up for, shoot, I'll just do it for 150, and then we'll do the MTX box with it for 100, and then the 1200 watt Class D Recoil audio DI 1200.1 for $100 as well. And then we'll do like, I think, yeah, and then we'll do the CCA kit for 35, which I think is market price. You can't see the market price on a lot of products anymore because they shut the pricing off on the Recoil website, which is fine. Hit me up if you need anything. Do some searching. Sometimes you can find a good deal on Steven, what's it called, OriginalDutchBoy on eBay. He still does stuff on eBay. Forgive him if he doesn't answer right away. He's kind of overwhelmed. They're going to phase him out and replace him with Mike, the guy that used to be the warehouse manager when Larry and those guys controlled Diamond Audio and Cerwin Vega Mobile. But there should still be some good deals, even though the Mexicans came up and bought like $9 grand worth of returns and shit like that. So, but anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, look at that. USA voice coil. Made in USA, and then sent all the way to China, and made with China, made in China. Sounds good. Love you.